Now, one of the most anticipated defamation trials in history is set to begin today. Dominion Voting Systems is seeking $1.6 billion in damages and a public apology from Fox News, saying it knowingly broadcast false claims and conspiracy theories about the outcome of the 2020 US election. The trial is set to last around 6 weeks and could see Fox News' biggest on-air personalities take the stand. Let's cross to Wilmington, Delaware now, where our North America business correspondent, Michelle Fleury, is outside the courthouse. Michelle, there was a bit of a delay yesterday with speculation that Fox News was trying to strike some sort of a deal, yet no announcement was made. But I understand in the past hour, Dominion has issued a statement.
So, look, let's just recap. As of 9 a.m, in other words, about half an hour ago, all of the lawyers for both parties were in the courtroom. The judge was there, and they have begun the process of finishing jury selection. Then there will be a 20-minute recess. They will go through points of law, and that's it. We're off. They will start to hear opening arguments. This is, as you say, a highly anticipated trial, in part because of some of the precedents it will set, in part because of some of the big names that we're going to see take the stand potentially over the next 6 weeks. But there had been this one-day delay, and the judge on Monday said that this wasn't unusual in a trial of this length, that things happen. But as you say, it did fuel speculation that maybe there would be settlement talks. But I think, this statement from Dominion saying that the damages claims remain, as Fox well knows, our damages exceed $1.6 billion. It's a reminder of how far the two sides remain apart. One of the sort of stumbling blocks, if you like, to any potential agreement is over the damages, over how much Dominion is worth and what they should be paid in punitive damages. So here we are, the trial set to begin later today with the opening arguments.
Michelle, how big of a deal is this for the media industry? Obviously, we're covering it right now, but in terms of a precedent being set, it's a big deal, right?
It is a big deal. Part of the reason is that the legal bar for sort of winning a defamation case in America is so high. You have to prove not only in this particular case that there were false statement made, but also the intent, and that is pretty tricky. Dominion, for its part, feels confident that they can prove that. Fox News say that this is about protecting free speech in the press and First Amendments, and so for that reason legal scholars say it's significant. But I think this case is important beyond that. You're also talking about the reputation of this hugely profitable and well-known media company. You're talking about misinformation regarding the 2020 election and holding people accountable for that, and the outcome of this trial could potentially shape political coverage of the 2024 US presidential election.
Michelle, thank you for that update, and I know you're there for the rest of the day, so we'll speak to you in a few hours.